Welcome to Module 11, everyone. And trust me, this one is a game changer. We're stepping into the future of data analysis with Agent Mode. If Genie used to be your super-fast answer machine, Agent Mode turns it into a full-blown autonomous research analyst. We're moving way beyond simple one-and-done questions into deep, intelligent, multi-step research that thinks, plans, and delivers powerful insights on its own. Whether you're a business user who wants game-changing answers, or a technical leader who needs full transparency and control, this module is going to blow your mind. Let's dive in and see how Genie just leveled up. Picture this. Traditional data research used to take hours or even days. Now Genie has evolved into an autonomous analyst that can plan, investigate, and synthesize findings all by itself. It's perfect for those big, open-ended questions like, why did our margins drop? Or how can we improve performance? And here's the best part. It gives dual power. Business users get deep insights without writing code, while technical teams get complete visibility and governance. Agent Mode is currently in beta, but it's already available to all users and runs on your existing compute. Ready to see how it works? Let's compare it to the classic chat mode. Genie now gives you two powerful paths to insights, chat mode and agent mode. Chat mode is like a lightning-fast librarian. You ask for one specific book, it grabs it instantly and hands it over. Example, what was revenue last year? Boom! One SQL query, one clean result. Agent mode, that's your elite research analyst. It doesn't just grab one book. It reads multiple sources, connects the dots, tests hypotheses, and writes you a full comprehensive study. Example, why did tech margins decline? Now we're talking deep research. Two different tools, for two different needs. Let's break down exactly how they compare. Let's put them head to head so you can see the real difference. Chat mode fires off one single query and gives you a table plus a quick summary in just seconds. Agent mode, it creates a full research plan, runs multiple queries, usually between 3 to 10, iterates intelligently, and delivers a rich professional report complete with findings and visuals. Response time jumps from seconds to 30 seconds up to a few minutes, but the depth you get is absolutely worth it. You can even export the entire report as a beautiful PDF. This isn't just faster, it's fundamentally smarter. Now, let me show you the secret sauce behind Agent Mode. Here's where it gets really exciting. The heart of Agent Mode is what we call the agentic loop. This is the iterative reasoning engine that makes Genie think like a true analyst. Step 1. Understand. It reads your question and pulls rich context from the knowledge store. Step 2. Plan. It builds a smart research plan with clear hypotheses to test. Step 3. Investigate. It runs multiple SQL queries in a loop, analyzes results, and keeps refining its approach. Step 4. Synthesize. It pulls everything together into a clear, evidence-backed final report. This loop is what turns simple questions into deep, insightful research. Mind-blowing, right? So when should you use chat mode versus agent mode? Chat mode is your weapon of choice for quick facts and fast answers. Things like, what was AAPL's revenue in 2024? Or, show me the top 10 companies by market cap. It's perfect when you need speed, precision, or when you want to manually build on results step by step. If you're in a hurry or just need a specific number, chat mode wins every time. But when your question gets more complex, that's when agent mode becomes unstoppable. Agent mode shines brightest on the big, strategic, exploratory questions. Want to know why your tech holdings underperformed last quarter? Or which factors separate high-margin companies from low-margin ones? Maybe you need a full briefing for an important meeting. Prepare a summary of our sector allocation and risk exposure. These are the kinds of questions that used to take analysts hours or days. Agent mode handles multi-step reasoning and delivers insights you might never have thought to ask for. This is where the real magic happens. Let me show you a real-world example that will get every investment professional excited. With Agent Mode, sector analysis that used to take hours now happens in minutes. It automatically digs into 3-year profitability trends, identifies whether revenue growth or cost control was the real driver, and even compares individual company contributions. Risk assessment? It correlates leverage with drawdowns during volatile periods and flags the highest risk players. And for committee prep, it builds a complete report with sector allocation, top and bottom performers, concentration risks, and exports it as a ready-to-share PDF. This isn't just saving time, it's completely transforming how analysts work. Want Agent Mode to perform at its absolute best? Then you need to optimize your Genie space properly. Think of it as giving your research analyst the best briefing possible. Detailed column and table descriptions help it understand exactly what the data means. Example, SQL queries and reusable SQL expressions give it proven patterns, so it doesn't have to reinvent the wheel. Clear business instructions and sample values help it correctly identify entities and follow your domain rules. The better your knowledge store, the smarter and more accurate your agent becomes. Pro tip, invest time here and you'll see massive returns. Now I know what many of you are thinking. With all this power, what about security and governance? Great question. Agent Mode is built on the same rock-solid foundation as the rest of Genie. It fully inherits all your Unity catalog privileges, row filters, and column masks. Every single query and action is logged for full auditability. And yes, the same zero data retention guarantees apply. The LLM only sees aggregated results, row counts, and summary statistics, never raw row-level data it shouldn't access. Your data stays safe, while the agent does its deep research. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, cost versus value. Yes, Agent Mode uses more compute, typically 3 to 10 queries instead of 1, so you might see around 0.05 to 0.10 dBU per question instead of 0.01. But here's the game-changing truth. Those few extra cents of compute are replacing hours of manual analyst work. For a typical team running 1,000 deep research questions per month, the total cost is roughly just $47. That is an unbelievable ROI. You're getting professional-grade research reports at a fraction of the traditional cost. Time saved plus deeper insights equals massive value. Since Agent Mode is still in beta, let's be transparent about the current limitations. It's only available in the Databricks UI right now, no API access yet. Responses take longer, from 30 seconds up to a few minutes, so it's not for real-time dashboards. It's enabled at the workspace level and automatically appears in all Genie spaces. Also, because it's doing true research, results can be slightly non-deterministic. It might take different paths on the same question, but the final insights are usually even richer. Bottom line, it's powerful, but always apply human review for mission-critical decisions. Finally, let's do a quick hands-on comparison so you can see the difference in action. In chat mode, ask what were the top 5 companies by revenue last year. You get one fast query and a clean table. In agent mode, ask which sectors have the strongest R&D to growth relationship, or compare financial health between tech and healthcare in a downturn, and you get a full multi-section report with a visible research plan and PDF export. Chat mode equals speed and precision. Agent mode equals depth, reasoning, and professional insights. Now you know exactly when to use each one. That's Module 11, folks. Agent mode is one of the most exciting leaps forward in data intelligence we've seen. Drop in the comments, what deep research question would you love to throw at Agent Mode first? Like this video, subscribe for more Databricks Genie training, and I'll see you in the next module. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with data.